Let's work, baby. You know what it is. First day back this month. DJ Smacks, let's get it. At the time.
Playing with a wanna be dog nigga. In the hood, you a rat, you a dog nigga. Fuck nigga, I stay with the blicky, hit a bow. Oh, you dog nigga. Nigga feel froggy, let him do. Standing right in your face, nigga, do what you do. Big homie, look at me like sure, I'm like who? I got the big back, kick back, blow your whole shit, bitch, move. When I walk up in the room, bitch, move. Who was talking shit, I'm killing shit like boom. They want static till they see me like move. But he go right there, boom, boom. With my hands in the green. So couple bangs in the bed. Bitch, you do dance on the deck. Dancing off the bed. With my hands in the bed. So couple bangs in the bed. Bitch, you do dance on the deck. Dancing off the bed. I got my money in my. Bitch, I said I got my money in my riches. I got no roses, I got cool, I pay two wishes. My diamonds 12 different colors like a sissy. Yeah, had to lease, I got the bitches. I got some spinning, I didn't have to do the dishes. I did it up and I never listen. 20 cars deep.
DJ Smacks, what I do?
6'9", bang red like Heinz. I'm a snake, nigga, 6 shots.
What?
When they call me, I'ma pick up every time. And I got the bands in this bitch.
Whoa, whoa.
With your hands in this bitch.
A Boogie, yeah. You know how I'm rocking. It's Wednesday. It's to set the tone. I'm here.
Michael Mary, Louis Diamond, duffel bag matcher. Flowing like I practice black magic. 100,000 on me with a black magic. I was school shopping with my mom money. Now I tell my jewelry flip my arm for me. I'm in Gucci blowing car money. I can tell these niggas never saw money. I pick up a bag if I walk through. Want a feature, I'm not who you talk to. I'm about to get Kyrie a puppy. That shit that you making, I pour it on dog food. Was not better trying to find a leather. It was freezing out, I couldn't find my sweater. Times I mentioned we applying pressure. Found a brand new 40 like I'm finding treasure. I ain't coming out, it ain't a dime or better. Diamonds on me look like Fiji water. Never thought that it'd be me recording. Robbed your mother just to feed my daughter. I put in bags before I seen a quarter. I am not the one that's saying we extorted. Fuck us in the back like she deported. I was jumping out of cab with weed and water. Promoters tell me it's a lot of us. I was on the grapevine with a lot of dust. You not a hater, think you proud of us. Bagging powder, smoking till we out of blunts. Up until we run out of cups. I'm that nigga, that shit is so obvious. These teams cost me $14.90. My team brand me, don't follow us. I got your wife on my section, her phone off. Pull up in the foreign, they wonder how much do the chrome come.
Whoa.
I was a worker.
I set the tone for the weekend, baby. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You know the rest.
Mix it up with infant riches.
Hey, Boogie, yeah.
Spoke a 50 with my niggas, think I'm about the millions. I hope how y'all get it. Bitch, I'm on a mission. I can't tell you about a sentence. I don't need no witness. I just spent like 50 on some fucking boogers. Nigga, I'm a god bridge. Reach for the gold, I'ma reach for your bitch. So put the pole in the stains on the stove, but I wasn't cooking dope in the kitchen, boning up. Cheese so damn iced out, but you can't see the fucking gold enough. And I walk on my beach. I got the key. I'm a custodian all day. All my niggas rockin' dog teams. I've been killing shit since I was 14. Tell the plug that I need the whole thing. Fuck a little bit, the whole thing. Take the water, lead it, what the whole thing. Think I need another pick, it's all me. Some my niggas pull up in the yard game. Time fly while I'm scheming. Pop a perk and then I started tweaking. In the room full of temporary bitches that you probably never even seen it. These niggas want cook it, quick.
Radio, baby.
How G go too fast, man. Only one no seatbelt. That little got no brakes. Upgrade, now she got decoys. I'm out the range, I'm blowing. Who is your baby? He gone. And these old rappers getting bored. They be taking shots, I ignore them. How G go too fast, man. Only one no seatbelt. How G
but that's just how life goes. And I know that you'll be happy if I let you go. Got me walking on a thin line on my tippy toes. Crazy different city with some different. Here we go. Every time the pack get gone, I get another load. Hold up, my name, don't leave me alone.